My name is Sophia Gabiola, and my topic is an introduction to the Pythagorean trig identity. In this lesson, I will be going over how to relate truth functions to the Pythagorean theorem. First, we have a right triangle where the base's length is a, the height is b, and the hypotenuse is c. From the Pythagorean theorem, we know that the relationship between a, b, and c is that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now, let's take a non-right right angle and call it angle theta. Using SOHCAHTOA, we know that sine of theta is opposite over hypotenuse, so it is b over c, and cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, so it is a over c. If we square sine theta and cosine theta, we get sine squared theta equals b squared over c squared, and cosine theta equals a squared over c squared. If we add sine squared theta and cosine squared theta, we would have a squared plus b squared over c squared. Because of the Pythagorean theorem, we know that a squared plus b squared equals c squared, so a squared plus b squared over c squared equals c squared over c squared. Thus, we see a trig identity that sine squared theta plus cosine theta equals 1. This equation is important because now if we are given the cosine of angle theta, we can solve for the sine of angle theta and vice versa.